Hey everyone, today we are talking about Git, a super useful tool for keeping track of your code changes. Let's jump right in. Let's start by understanding what Git does. It's like a magical tool for developers. It's help you keep track of your changes in your code, work together with others, and easily fix any mistake you make. Now let's talk about some important Git commands that will really improve your coding skills. First, to begin a new project, you use Git Init. This sets up a new Git system in your project folder. For example, if you are starting a new website project, you would navigate to your project folder in the terminal and type git init to initialize Git for the project. Then there git add to prepare your changes, followed by git commit to officially save those changes with a clear messages. Let's say you were made some changes to your website homepage, you would use git add index.html to stage those changes. Then git commit -m updated homepage design to save them. Remember, it's important to write clear and brief messages when you save changes in Git. Now let's talk about branches. There are like different paths you code can take. You can create a new branches with Git branch and switch between them using Git checkout. For instance, if you are working on a new feature for your website, you might create a branch called feature-new-menu with Git branch and then switch to the branch with Git checkout feature-new-menu. When you are ready to combine your branches, you use git merge. But watch out for conflict which you would like to need resolve carefully. Let's say you would finished working on your new feature and want to merge it into the main code base. You would use git merge feature-new-menu to bring those changes into the main branch. First, you need to check out the main branch by git checkout main and then use git merge feature-new-menu. Lastly, make sure to upload your changes to a remote place like GitHub or Gitlab to share your work and to keep it safe. For example, you would use git push to upload your changes to your GitHub repository, making them accessible to others and ensuring you have a backup of your work. And that it, you now have the basics of Git to help you in your coding adventure. Happy coding. Maybe we will talk about how to use GitHub and GitLab and use it for your project in upcoming videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.